What's up, guys? We are just heading off of the river. You're gonna watch this after, or wait, no, you're gonna watch this before. We filmed this after, is what I'm trying to say. Incredible day.
I mean, probably the best bass fishing day I can remember. For numbers, for sure, and definitely some good size, too.
So stay tuned, check it out. Yeah.
Yeah, Kenny.
Oh yeah.
Oh, nice one.
That's a solid bass to start.
Wow, Kenny. Nice.
I casted that rock like 5 times.
I know you did. I was looking back at you, too.
I was just like, I don't know, I get a good feeling. Looking for like single structure. Okay, buddy, that's enough of you here. Not a bad one to start. Whew. All right, let's get this guy back. Start baiting line, Joe. Hell yeah. Oh, he destroyed this worm though.
Ride a hero.
He did that thing where he's swimming right towards me. Nope. Thank you, Joe.
Really nice one.
Hell yeah. All right, not quite as big, but more than okay with him. Got it. Yeah. All right. Whew. Mosquito, get out of here. Oh. Thank you, X-Zone, not a sponsor. They can sponsor me if they want. I mean, I'm not going to say no. There you go, Joe. You want the net?
No, it's not big.
Oh, he's darting now. Oh, acrobatics.
No.
Ooh.
They're feisty, eh?
Yeah.
Got that pre-spawn attitude.
Love it.
Oh, and as soon as I hit the trolling motor, it like spooked him out.
Yeah, that's my first bass.
Nice.
I'm on camera, too.
That's awesome. It's cool to have that shit to look back on.
Fuck, I was telling someone at work last night that I'm so happy about it.
I'm still filming from your catch too. I think I got this guy. Yeah, maybe not. He's pretty aggressive. Not big, but he's angry.
Hey, he's not bad, man. That's bigger than the one I just got. Wow, I didn't see these mosquitoes.
Hell yeah. Thanks, brother. Boom. Joe.
Yeah?
That's not even the one I saw.
You got it?
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
No, the one I saw was way bigger than that. Holy man, this guy's pissed. Okay, calm.
Oh, we're gonna have a day today.
Alright. Let's get even more, man.
Yeah, we're gonna. Because it's not like we're in window bite time right now.
No.
Or morning window bite, I mean. Like, it's past that.
Oh, hell yeah.
So, they're just fighting up on their own here.
That cloud cover is probably going to help too.
Yeah, because I don't see the conditions really changing.
Yeah, I mean, we're smacking them like right here on the opposite side of the rocks. But this was all like open before, like you could see most of this rock.
Yeah, this would be insane if we could see better.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh, he's not ready. It's got fight in him. Oh, he's really good.
Nice.
That's a good one, Joe.
Whew. Need a picture of him.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Beauty.
Let me know when you're ready. I'll get you.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, just tension was keeping him on.
Ready?
Yeah.
Little guy, but not little, but
Yeah.
not big.
It's fighting you good, eh?
Oh God, yeah.
He's not too bad, Kenny.
Probably
He's not ready yet, eh?
maybe a 2. Maybe. I don't even think so. I think he's just really fighting.
He's
Oh, he's a good size.
He's short but heavy.
He's a stocky little guy. Oh my God, man. What a fight.
Yeah. Oh, he's
The
heavier
energy.
than
Oh, he's bigger than he
He's
looked. Holy
much
shit.
heavier than that.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for the net.
Yeah.
Man, awesome so far. See you.
Oh, it's big. Yeah.
Where do you want me on the
Right here, yeah. You got room? Holy shit, yeah. Actually, to the right of me.
You ready?
Yeah. Ooh. Thanks, man. Oh, he's got some fight left in him here.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow.
That's like a 4. Easy.
You got it?
Oh no.
There we go.
Dude, we gotta weigh that one. That's gotta be 4.
It's got a big head on it, eh?
That's gotta be 4.
Oh my God.
All right, 1 second. Let me get my scale. What do you think? 4 or something?
Yeah, high 3s at least.
Okay. $3.57. So it'll be more than that, but sometimes it's
what a nice fish, though.
God damn, man. Whew. We need a picture with that one for sure.
Yeah, I love the stripes on his face like that. Oh. Didn't look big on that jump, but he's really dogging me.
I can't even see him.
Yeah, dark,
Yeah. Oh, he's way over there. He's not with the worm anymore.
No.
I was like, dude, I don't even see a fish.
God, these fish fight, eh? I love it.
Joe's just making stuff up now. That's a good one.
Is it?
Yep. Probably another almost 2.
There we go.
Yeah, probably 1.5 to 2 pounds.
Nice.
It's chunky.
Nice.
The Sanko bite just continues.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Jumped right into the net. Yeah, dude, the one swimming by it was way bigger than this. I saw it and then I felt this guy. I was like, no! Not bad though, I'll take you. I hope one of us catches that big one. Dude, that big one looked like it was another like 3. Like it was significantly bigger than that.